Hey everybody, this is Tecx. Welcome back to an amazing blazing update from Samsung Galaxy Amazing Update. So today I'm back with a new and amazing video from Samsung, and this is your TecX, and I'm back again. So today I have an amazing and special video because this is going to be new and amazing update from Samsung that I heard about that it released in India, and this is about your My Device, and that is your Samsung Galaxy A31, which got your new update of Android 12 One UI 4.1. So let's see, and I will try to cover in this video. So let's go to our setting and check out is this update released or not. So let me go into your software update. So let's check is their update available or not. So I'm just checking, so let's wait a little. So yeah, this is the update, guys. So yeah, it means it was really true that update is on now. So it's just, I can't believe it's finally here. It was dated like 22nd of May, but they released earlier 2 or 3 days, and that's really good. It's just 17th of May in 2022. So I will try to cover everything related to the subject, every possible detail in this video. So my prime concern will be for you that please stay till end. I will try to cover all the important points which will really matters, because I will not try to cover all the worthless point. So without wasting any time, let's get started the video. So let's see what Samsung really providing us in this update, what is going on. So this is about your One UI 4.1 upgrade and Android 12. So you can see first you can see One UI 4.1 bring wide array of new features, enhancement for your Galaxy device, more intuitive, more fun, more secure and easier than ever. So I will try to cover all the special points and the point which really matters to you. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So you can see color palette, privacy, and there will be a lot more things in privacy. Camera, microphone, approximation, location, clipboard, and your Samsung keyboard is going to be enhanced, and that's great. Home screen, and I love new optimization, and your new features will be there in that home screen. And I will be coming with all the new features which really we can see by using day-to-day life. So I will make video on that. Lock screen is going to be enhanced camera, lens and zoom, video never miss anymore. Oh, so that's good. Enhanced scanning, gallery, there will be a lot more things in gallery, and photo and video editor is improved. Your emojis are there, and your jazz your profile, face sticker, dance and night. Okay, that's great. And a lot more things are there. Sharing, more customization, easier navigation, calendar. In calendar you can see quick events. So lot more enhancement there. Samsung Internet, if you use, then it's amazing application by Samsung. It really works fast. Device care, that is so much important for device. You really can see what is going on with your device by using this. There will be enhancement in that also. Samsung Health are there, accessibility, and your more feature improvements for your day-to-day life. And there are a lot more things. If you want to read whole the thing, I will put link in description of your link of Samsung official website, or you can just go and check out software update like me and scroll everything and take time and read all the thing. And a lot more things are there. Resizable picture-in-picture, quick access pop-up window, and some apps will need to update separately after your One UI 4.1 update, and that's really okay. You can just go to like Galaxy store like me, just that I am going. You can just go to a Samsung folder you have, and the Galaxy store, just you can visit it, and just wait a little, and you will be seeing that this is opening. And just skip this, guys, because this is just so much irritating. So I'm just skipping this. You just have to click on 3 dots, and you can see update available. You can see clearly, as I told in many videos, that update. So this is the update area. You can just click on this update, and whatever you wanted to update, you can update it from here. Update all, or whatever you think it needed to update, you can simply go and update these things. So let's jump back to our software section. So let's discuss our important section finally. That is your software update information section. That is so much important in terms of update. So you can see first we discuss your version name, size and security patch level, and that's great. So you can see guys, there's a link given here also. If you want to check out, I will definitely put link in description. If you will go to this link, you can see a lot more things here. You can see it's a version name, security patch level and size, a lot more things here. And it's version name starting with your A315F, that is code for your Samsung A31, and that's great. Its size that is pretty much massive guys, because this is a 2.2 GB approximately, and in MBs if you don't know, this is your 2219.79 megabytes, and that's great and insane. Its security patch level, that is so much expected, because this is your April, and you know, if you remember this, it's currently working on your January security patch update, and that's really so much disappointing. But they finally released this update, and I think they were just waiting for this update so that they can release this update and give security patch update with this. That's insane. So this is the whole update guys. So you just have to wait a little, because I'm just going to download it and I will be coming back again. So let's start the downloading, and let's start. So I'm just putting some music for you so that you will not be bored and enjoy this video. So I will be speed it up also, so enjoy. So hey you guys, you've seen my installation is done, and I'm just ready to install it. So this is going to be crazy. So my installation is done, so I'm just going to update my phone now. So what are you waiting for? Just go to setting and check out this update now and update your phone now for your improved and new performance and amazing performance and latest features. You can explore a lot more things will be there. So this is the whole update. So hope you really find this video helpful, and if you really find this video, let your friends also know that update is out for your A31. If they are using it, they can update their phone easily. And somehow if you not got this update, just wait a little, because this is released in India and they already released it globally. So in your country or in your region, it will reach soon. Have to do what, just go to your setting and check out this update now and update your phone now easily, and share with your friends and family, and share this video, and be subscribed if you don't want to miss any kind of future update from my side. So this is the complete video for your A31, and I showed you live installed that how it's going on. So this is the whole video. Thank you for watching guys. See you in next amazing blazing update from Samsung. So till then, bye bye, take care, and see you in next video.